Boys, today we will discuss another important lesson which is related to linear equation in one variable. For understand, topic is reducing equation to simpler form. As earlier, we will solve an question. For understand, we will take an example. Solve 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 upon 6. Okay. As earlier I have discussed, this is LHS and this is RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. So finally we have to calculate the value of x. In LHS we can write 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 by 1, we can write in place of 1 is equal to x minus 3 upon 6. Okay, we will take LCM 3, so here we can write 6x plus 1. Okay, so when we will take an LCM 3 and 1, then the result will come 3 and we will multiply here, it means it becomes 3. Okay, is equal to x minus 3 upon 6. In two way we can cut directly denominator by 3 and 6, otherwise we will calculate diagonal. Okay, so we will multiply diagonal. 6 into 6x plus 1 plus 3, 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Okay, it will come 36x plus 24 is equal to 3x minus 9. Okay, so 36x, similar term we will calculate we will transfer in one side. So 3x minus 36x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 minus 24. It means this is 33x is equal to minus 33, means x is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Very simple. If we will try, then definitely you will enjoy. Another question we will take from exercise 2.2. Okay, we will write a question x upon 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, solve the following linear. Solve the following linear equation. Linear equation. You have to solve it. Okay. Similarly, we will take an LCM. 2 and 5 means 10. We will divide 2 into 10. So we will get 5 multiplied by here. 5x minus 5 divided in 10. We will get 2 and multiplied by numerator means 2. Okay, is equal to, similarly here 12, LCM will come 3 and 4. So here we will divide 3 in 12, then we will get 4. 4 multiplied by x, 4x, plus here 3 we will get and multiplied by 1 means 3. Okay. So here also again we will multiply diagonal. 12 multiplied by this one, 5x minus 2 is equal to 10 multiplied by 4x plus 3. Here 60x minus 24 is equal to 40x plus 30. Okay. When x will come here, then it will come 20x is equal to minus 20. When we will transfer here, then it will add in this one, then 30 plus 24 will 54. Okay. X is equal to 54 upon 20 means 2 multiplied by 2 and 27 means 2.7. This is the answer. Again, this is an question. M minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Okay, there will be 1 and there will be also 1. We will take an LCM here. 2 means 2m multiplied by 2 minus m minus 1. When there will be sign, then for safer side we will introduce bracket, because sign can change after multiplication. Here LCM 3 multiplied by here 3 minus m minus 2. Okay, we will solve here. 2m minus m minus minus, it will come 1 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 minus m minus minus plus 2 upon 3. Okay, it will come m plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus m. Here 2 plus 3 5 minus m upon 3. Again we will multiply cross, then there will be 3m plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 2m. Okay, when minus 2 will come there, then 5m is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. M is equal to 7 by 5. This is the answer. Okay. Again we will simplify and solve the linear equation. We will take an example 8. Okay. 15y minus 4 minus 2y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have to simplify and solve the linear equation. Okay. Similarly, we will multiply one by one, this one, and this one. So there will be 15y minus 60 minus 2y minus plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. First we will solve similar variable. 15y minus 2y means 13y. 15y minus 2y means 13y. 13y plus 5y means 18y. Okay. And here 18 and 30 will come 48. Plus 48 and minus 60 means minus 12 is equal to 0. So 18y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 18. Okay. We will cut 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. So answer will be 2 upon 3. Okay. For better understanding, we will take another question. So I hope all of you are enjoying during the solving of the equation. Please subscribe, share and like, because when you will subscribe, like and share, then my morale will be boosted and I will make more effective video for you. Okay. We have to simply solve it. So first we will multiply 15z minus 21 minus 18z minus plus 22 is equal to 4 multiplied by 32z minus 52 minus 17. Okay. This is LHS and this is RHS. So here 15z minus 18z minus 3z plus 1 is equal to here 32z minus will plus, but sign will be remain minus, then here 9 and 6. Okay. When it will come here, then minus 35z is equal to minus 70. Okay. Then z is equal to minus 70 upon minus 35. So minus sign will be replaced with minus and here 2. So answer will be z is equal to 2. Okay. So please once again share, subscribe and like We will meet in next class.